Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display custom message or notice on cart page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it and then select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So you can customize this message according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. And then you see custom message on cart page and you can customize this message using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.